Hi. When you're looking at marketing examples or what your competitors are doing, you always find inspiration you want to share, right? But it's so painful to share them. Whether it's emails, ads, SMS, landing pages, you end up taking screenshots, piling up in your desktop with no way to share them with your team. Well, Panorama is here to help you. While you're looking at what your competitors are doing, we do have a few features that will help you save the right examples and share them with your team. So right now, here, I'm looking at my Panorama dashboard. On this account, I'm following 13 brands here, and I have a table with all the updates that we've gathered on those brands. And the best thing is, within a few minutes, instead of individually going into each brand to see what they've been doing, on my dashboard, I just have all this data right there. And each time that I'm seeing an example that I do like or that I want to share with someone, what I can do is either add it to my favorites on Panorama or add it to one of my lists. So this works for emails, SMS, ads, and landing pages as well. See, same thing for the ads here. If I see an ad that I like, I can add it to my lists. And a list looks like this. It's basically, you can think of it as I'd say a Pinterest marketing board, right? Where you can just add all the examples that you like over time about a specific topic or just covering your competitor's activity for a specific month. And you can add landing pages and add email and everything within the same file and share it easily with your team or even with external people as well. You can set up a list as being a public one, and even people without a Panorama account will be able to access it. So that's it to review your competitors' best practices. On Panorama, we make it super easy to just collect all the examples that you like over time and share them with your team. Take advantage of this feature on Panorama. See you there. And if you need anything, if you have any question, don't hesitate. I'm here to help. Have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.